Good morning, everyone. Be honest. I woke up this morning with a migraine. It was coming. I was saying to myself, since I had this migraine, I'm not going to walk today. Because I didn't walk yesterday because my husband had an issue with his health. So I said, okay, you know how you can talk yourself out of doing something that you know you need to do? Well, I was talking myself out of going walking today. And I said, no, you're not going today, Stephanie. You're just going to lay around today. Well, I was listening to um, Anthony O'Neill, and he was talking about consistency. So I know that my goal for the month of June was to get my Healthy Tips and More channel back up and going on a regular basis, because before I was doing pretty good with it. And I said, Stephanie, you're your own worst enemy. You put the in procrastination. I can talk myself out of doing things. And today I was going to really talk myself out of getting back up and going walking today. Now it's pretty out here today. And it's after 9 o'clock. So it's a little heaty, but I'm going to walk my normal and get back home. But this should show you that sometimes you talk yourself out of what's needed to be done. And you need to listen to what has been spoken to you. You know, God put people in your life for a reason. And He sends you messages that sometimes you try to ignore and keep going and doing what you want to do. Well, this particular morning, I wanted to lay and be lazy. I didn't want to get out of the bed. I didn't want to get dressed. I didn't want to do nothing, to be honest. Oh, okay. I dropped the phone. But anyway, now God kept telling me, get up, get up, get up. And I kept saying, nope, I'm gonna lay here this morning. I don't want to do nothing. He kept saying, get up, get up. And then when I was listening to Anthony O'Neill, and he was talking about consistency, something that I've been trying to make sure that I've been is consistent on my channel. And here I am, laying in the bed, procrastinating. So I am up, and the sun is burning my sister's back up. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to walk this morning, and I'm going to get my steps in. And let me tell you what I did. I ordered a sweat vest, and I ordered it off of Temu. Well, I realized I did something stupid when I started to itch. I realized I didn't wash it first, and I should have washed it because you don't know what kind of chemicals or whatever is in it. So then I looked at my back where it was itching at, and it appears to me that I've been burnt. Yeah, you know how when you get sunburned? Well, I get sunburned. And it looks like I have a bad sunburn. I don't know if it's chemicals in it or the way I sweated in the vest, but my husband rubbed, sorry for the plane. I had my husband rub Benadryl on my back. Now I have some Benadryl sticks that my sister purchased me years ago, and I just took the top off one as a liquid and have him rub it all over my back where it was red at. So he told me to give it a couple of days, which I am, and then I washed the vest, and I'm gonna try the vest out maybe by the end of next week to see if I still get the same reaction. If I do, the vest is going in the garbage. Then I'm gonna order one on Amazon like I should have done in the first place. But the one on Temu caught my eye. Another plane. The one on Temu caught my eye, and I purchased it. I'm hoping I'm just having an allergic reaction, or maybe it is a sunburn. I don't know. But we shall see, huh? So, I'm halfway to, I think, a mile, So, y'all see I'm out here walking. I want to make sure you see I'm walking. And I will pick you guys up again when I get close to home. Okay, I'm home and sweaty, hot, tired, but I did my walk. I'm proud of me. I walked longer than I did yesterday, and I'm almost back up to where I was when I stopped walking. About maybe, I want to say, a block and a half from where I stopped before. So I'm really proud of me and my progression. Each day I try to walk to a landmark, that is, to get farther. Because when I first started, I walked up to the first stop sign. Then I walked to the next stop sign, and then the next one, until I got to the red light at the main road. So I'm proud of myself. I'm winded, I'm tired. I'm gonna drink some water and chill out for a while, and I will see you on the next walk. No procrastination. Get up and move. If you want to see more, click on the videos listed below and you be blessed.